Your smart bulb talks to your phone. Your smartwatch syncs your heart rate to the cloud. But how does all this communication actually work? Welcome to Module 5 of our Embedded Systems for IoT series by NextTed, powered by Nexaspaces. This module is all about the invisible wires, the protocols and networks that keep your IoT devices connected. Let's explore how your ESP32 talks, listens, and shares data wirelessly and efficiently. IoT communication is the heart of any connected system. It's how your device senses data, shares it, and even acts on remote commands. At its core, IoT networking connects sensors, microcontrollers, gateways, and cloud services, often in real time. We'll cover how these layers work together, from device-level communication to cloud integration, using real-world examples. There are many ways for devices to talk, wired and wireless. But in IoT, we focus on wireless protocols like Wi-Fi, great for high-speed, short-range communication. Bluetooth, low power, ideal for personal area networks. Zigbee, mesh-enabled, low power for home automation. LoRa, long-range, ultra-low power for rural or industrial IoT. Each has its role, and choosing the right one depends on your use case. Next, we'll get hands-on with ESP32, one of the most popular IoT development boards. We'll show you how to set up Wi-Fi on it, so your microcontroller can connect to the internet. We'll write and explain code that connects the ESP32 to a local router and even prints IP addresses for diagnostics. This is your first step to building internet-connected devices. Have you heard of MQTT? It stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It's a lightweight protocol perfect for IoT, designed for low-bandwidth, high-latency networks. It uses a publish-subscribe model where devices don't directly talk to each other but go through a broker. It's simple, fast, and scalable, great for sensors, smart homes, and even industrial IoT. In this module, we'll walk you through implementing MQTT using ESP32 and the popular broker Mosquito. We'll publish sensor data, subscribe to topics, and trigger actions like turning on an LED remotely. You'll learn how to connect to brokers like HiveMQ or use your own on Raspberry Pi or PC. Now comes the real question, MQTT or HTTP? Here's a quick comparison. HTTP, request/response, heavier, good for web APIs. MQTT, lightweight, continuous, made for IoT. We'll compare them using practical examples, like reading temperature data, and show why MQTT often wins in IoT scenarios. This module will take you from theory to hands-on skills. By the end, you'll know how to connect your ESP32 to Wi-Fi, use MQTT to send real-time data, and choose the right protocol for your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe to NextTed by Nexaspaces, where future IoT engineers are made.